Sure. So what you're going to do is go to that COVID dashboard homepage and then click on, for example, the deaths. And then from here, you're going to scroll down to the data table. It's in this weird expansion right here. You have to hover over it. It's got a little plus icon, but otherwise you wouldn't know that it's actually a hidden data table. But they make it even more inaccessible. You have to take a third step. You have to do download data, click on that, open the CSV file that you download, and then it will give you a timestamp of when you do it, in addition to all of the different categories. So the total deaths right here and the death rate is what you're going to want to look at. So you would probably just want to apply a filter on all this data, and then you can look at like the highest deaths to the lowest deaths. But so like total deaths for Alabama is going to be something like 23,000. And then for Alabama, deaths in the past 3 months, so that was right before the death rate. I just hadn't seen it. For Alabama would be 76. And then we have the same thing for test positivity and test volume and things like that. That's where you can get all of the actual raw numbers. But I really have to caution you that if you want to start going down the rabbit hole of actually comparing deaths from a number scale, you really have to take the time to compare it to other vaccine-preventable illnesses, because that's going to give you a relative number sense of like what the deaths due to like the flu or RSV or other diseases are like in comparison to what you're seeing with COVID. Otherwise, the numbers will probably have little meaning to you, and that may even cause you to draw false conclusions.